Tick deals are one of the simplest ways to trade in financial markets. For example, you assume the euro to grow in value against the US dollar in the nearest 10 minutes. If this scenario comes true, it is enough to gain a profit. Remarkably, tick deals allow traders to earn from forecasts. The main advantage of trading tick deals is precise assessment of risk and profit. This trading instrument is available to our clients through InstaTick Trader on the official InstaForex website. InstaTick Trader is easy to launch. In the upper menu of the trading platform section, you should click the function Launch InstaTick Trader. On the upper panel of the trading platform, choose a language in the appropriate field and press the Enter key. Clicking on the plus icon, you can set parameters of a tick deal. To begin with, you should decide on an expiry term of your deal. A turbo deal expires within 5 minutes. An intraday deal expires in 1 hour. A classic deal expires within 3 days. Your next step is to select a trading instrument to open a tick deal with a preset expiry term. To monitor a price dynamic, you have to choose a time frame which suits better your market vision and enables you to make a more accurate forecast. On the left side, there is an indicator of the market sentiment, which represents a buy-to-sell ratio on this trading instrument on the whole for the trading platform. On the right side of the platform, you see payout of a tick deal in percentage terms. It is 80% in our example. If a deal comes out to be winning, you will have a deal cost back in your account, plus you will gain 80% of this amount as payout. A bit higher in the amount field, you should specify an investment amount. Above this field, please set an expiry term if you have not decided yet when a deal closes. The chart changes online. At the right upper corner, you can watch a countdown until a tick deal term expires. Within this period, you can open a call or put deal. Click up or down and wait for a deal outcome. While your deal is still open, you cannot buy a new deal on the same trading instrument. The history of your transactions is displayed in the tab under the same heading. If you face any questions, you can always contact the customer support service. Make sure you fill in a form which pops up after you click a question mark icon down the toolbar on the left hand.